All we need is 15 more points in the grade 8. So Friday nights, if we can go to championship once and win it, the season's ours. It's that close.
What do you gotta do? You just gotta put the rods in it? And do we need to do some cylinder head work for you or something?
Yeah, I think he's gonna want you to.
Is that these?
Check it over. Yeah, these ones.
Okay.
The motor was running perfect, but it's always good to tear it apart and let the pros check it out. Especially when we're gonna go run the hell out of it for about 3 or 4 more weeks. Our original plan was just to go to North Carolina, but we're pretty far ahead in the championship points right now, so we have some time. This is only like 4 hours from the racetrack, so we decided we'd stop by here. And because I had to do a valve, or I guess you'd say a pits valve job on these heads not long ago whenever we hurt number 7. And to make the valve seat, we pretty much had to put an old valve in a drill. Not the right way to do it.
Oil on our carpet.
See, man, I told you we shouldn't have done this on the damn carpet. I told you, man. I never worked on carpet before. And I knew it's you and Puddin' that we was gonna get in trouble. I just knew it. We took the heads down to the machine shop yesterday. They did a valve job on them, make sure they're sealed up good for the rest of the season. So before the end of the day, we'll have a brand new fresh motor ready to run these last 3 races. I think it'd be cool to fire it up, but if the rods kick out of it, I'll just roll it back in here. What do you think about that groove right there? You can feel it with your finger now.
Oh, well, that ring did spin.
Is that all right?
Yeah.
All right.
No, that won't hurt nothing. Because the seals pressions from here up.
Okay.
So by the time it fires and it's down the whole 40 degrees,
You good?
I wouldn't put anything there.
You sure these are mine? I was certain to come put somebody else's heads on my motor. They're gonna be mine now.
I was watching a clip last night and lost the blob out on two-step.
Yeah, why do they keep doing that?
So how much, how many?
I ended up putting in short belt on it.
I always rip the throttle. You think that's breaking my belt? Still spinning on it. Yeah. And it hooks.
They won't like it.
When you start it off, it's pretty
Okay.
easy. It'll be jumping
That might be
teeth
funny.
if it's too loose.
You can feel it. So we enjoyed our last couple of days here at Noonan. We got our motor freshened up. They let us use their shop, so that was pretty cool. Now it's time to head to Galot to race the 3rd to last race of the year. Got to stay number 1 in points. So now we're going into the race with a fresh motor. We're going to one of the fastest tracks in the country. So we got high hopes. We plan on doing good. I'd like to win both of them, Friday and Saturday night, but I really need to win Friday to seal this championship.